Hi everyone, I'm Nick from Benchmark Products, and today I am excited to introduce you to an innovative tool for efficient and sustainable cleaning, the Suite SUDS Mop Frame. The Suite SUDS Frame combines the dynamic fiber technology of Suite Ultrafiber mop pads with an incredibly lightweight and ergonomic durable design. This gamma-irradiated disposable mop frame eliminates the time and cost associated with cleaning and autoclaving equipment. To ensure sustainability, the Suite SUDS Mop Frame is made from 100% recyclable polypropylene. This means that not only does it provide exceptional cleaning performance, but it can also be recycled, contributing to environmental responsibility. The frame hinge features a double ratcheting system, allowing operators to maintain the mop in the position needed to achieve their ideal mopping configuration. The SUDS frame connects to our ergonomic autoclavable handle. Crafted from anodized aluminum and plastic, this handle ensures durability while providing an adjustable length ranging from 39 to 71 inches. The Suite SUDS Mop Frame is designed to be used with our Suite Ultrafiber mop pads. Engineered with Suite's Ultrafiber technology, these pads truly set the bar in the industry, maximizing surface area contact while offering non-particulating, abrasion-resistant, and ultra-absorbent hydrophilic properties. Also setting Suite apart from the competition is the ability of its ultrafibers to penetrate microscopic pores of critical surfaces within your cleanrooms. This guarantees thorough residue removal and effective application of disinfectants. Scientifically proven, Suite Ultrafiber excels in eliminating and retaining residues, microbial contaminants, and endotoxins at sub-micron levels. If you are looking for a more ergonomic solution when it comes to mopping critical surfaces or improving operational processes by not having to clean or autoclave equipment, contact Benchmark Products today to learn more about the SUDS Frame.